This is what's left of a 1992 525i that I am chopping up, and I wanted to do a video on the gas tank straps, so that if it's your first time replacing these, removing them or installing them, you know how it looks. And I've got pretty good access here. So this is the transmission tunnel right here. That's the spare wheel well, so this would be the rear of the car. That right there is the mount for the diff mount. So the subframe is out of the car. The gas tank would be right here. That's the access panel through the trunk. So we are underneath the car with almost everything removed. And then here are the straps. So these guys, they go into the back and they're held in by a big Allen head bolt back there. I think maybe it's a 7. And then over here, they'll slip and slide around, and it's kind of hard to get them out. So I don't know if this is required or not. Maybe I'm just not good at it. But there's this plate here that covers up the front of those straps. And this plate is held on by two 10 mils right there, 2 10 mil nuts, another 2 10 mil nuts, and then 2 8 mil screws on this side, right by where so this would be the muffler right here. So right next to where the muffler would be. And if you remove this plate, you can see how the straps are hooked up. So that's the other end, and that's where the slot where it sits. So if you're installing it, you'd be trying to get it up in there into that slot, and then you would tension it and it wouldn't be able to slide out. Same thing down here. This guy comes up and comes out, and that's what it looks like. Just wanted to give you guys an idea if you're underneath the car and you're blind, having a hard time. That's what it looks like.